Hi, in this video we will cover how to search for content that is inside of a node and see the feedback and understand the relationship between the search bar, the app bar, and also the content itself. So let's get started. We have the prototype running and I will tap this magnifier icon so the bar will change. Now we can see the back button and also the close button. Some people call close icon back icon, but the icons they are providing triggers, so for this reason they are buttons because they trigger an action. So we have this feedback message, search note, or that could be search content or anything like this. We also have this blinking cursor indicator. So I showed how to do that in previous tutorials, previous videos. So it's kind of blinking and it implies that the user can start typing. So in this case, I made this prototype able so the user can tap here exactly where I'm showing and also the keyboard. So the content started being displayed. So let's suppose that the user started typing EG. So the nodes, in this case just one node, but if more than one node had this same type of content, they should be displayed. In this case it's just one, but maybe 2, 3, or 4 nodes, so that would search in all the nodes this information. So EG, then the user keeps going, like we are mocking, but the idea I think that you got. Type in more and then the information is displayed. So after tapping, the node will be open, and then once that the user is inside of the node, he or she can do anything like change color, share, add some image, or even delete. But in this flow I didn't do that. We are just covering how to search like I showed before. So I will restart the flow just to show what I didn't show previously. We have 2 nodes in this case, so we can come back. If we enter the search, we can close. Okay, so now let's break down and show all the details. So first thing, we have this component named cursor, where there are 2 states. The first one, it shows the component, so it's white. The second one, it's here, but it has 0% opacity. And then we have, after delay, 500 milliseconds, go to the next component, and the opposite's true. The same logic coming back. So just that. And the action I use it, change it to, so it will change in the same place and not take into another screen. And the animation is instant, so pretty easy to do. Like I said before, I showed how to do that in previous tutorials, so we are not going to dig deep into this one. So in the case of the magnifier button, the interaction, it is on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate, as easy as that. So when the user is on the second screen, there are these back button, on click, navigate to previous screen, and smart animate, always important to mention. To go, smart animate, to come back, smart animate. The cursor, the blinking one, is blinking up here. I just created some instance, dragged and dropped right here. This close button, it has the same action of the back button. On click, navigate to previous screen, smart animate, as easy as that. So once that the user is here, this element, this search nodes, has on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate. The same happens with the keyboard, on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate. So, and here I'm mocking what's happening. So I added this text, e.g. the cursor changed place compared to the previous screen, and also the feedback message search node, the how's that called? I just forgot. It is the placeholder, of course, disappears, and the text that was typed, like e.g. these two characters, they will be highlighted. Not all applications they do that, but some they do. So I like to have this kind of feedback to understand better what's going on the screen. So to progress, if the user taps the same element like this e.g., he or she will be taken to the next screen, on click, navigate to smart animate. The same happens with the keyboard, on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate. And here the entire text is selected, so anything else to do, of course, that all the close button and back button, all of them in all the screens, they are leading to the first screen. Remember that we are not stepping back, coming back like one step. We are going all the way to the first screen. This one, that's important to mention. You can see all these connectors, and also I'll be putting the Figma file to download, so just in case you want to see exactly what I'm doing, exactly the same file that I'm working on right now, you'll be able to do that. So okay, and then the last screen, the user taps here, on click, navigate to next screen, smart animate, and then we have our prototype nailed down. Let's run that again. Search, start typing, see the feedback, can close and restart the flow, go again, type here, type a bit more, see the animations, pretty nice, and then finally taps here and see the entry that he or she was looking for. And that's it. Hope you like it, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Peace.